multiple rounds of heavy rain in the forecast. We'll get our next round in Chicago between midnight and 1 a.m. More rain tomorrow morning and even a chance of severe weather as we head into tomorrow afternoon. So with a threat of additional flash flooding, that flood watch has been extended all the way into tomorrow evening at 7 p.m. This includes most of the area, Chicago and Cook County included. All right, let's get into it with the latest projections on how much rain we could see. This is just in the next 24 hours. On average, 1 to 3 inches, but some isolated pockets of 4, 5, 6 inches will be possible. Now, the 4 to 6, that will be the exception. The rule is going to be more in that 1 to 3. But if we get one of these pockets of rain, 3 to 6 inches, where we had all that heavy rainfall earlier today in central and southern areas of Cook County, that could provoke even more flash flooding for both roads and also for basements. So here comes the next round right now. We have some light rain moving across the Fox River Valley, heavy downpour skirting across southern sections of LaSalle County. This thunderstorm weakening now. That's the good news. When I say at the top of the newscast, was producing around 50-mile-per-hour winds, now about 35-mile-per-hour winds. Morris, you're in line for this one. Also places just to the south of Joliet here in Will County, that's headed your way. A new flash flood warning coming in for this storm, lifting away from Rochelle and moving up towards the northeast, producing nearly 3 inches of rainfall in just 1 hour. So we still have a tremendous amount of moisture in the atmosphere, and that's why we are concerned for some flash flooding tonight and through your Saturday. So here's a projection where the storms that are in LaSalle County and DeKalb County are now by 1 a.m. So they're in Cook County. They're moving across the south suburbs, skirting off towards the east as the overnight goes on, and then even more rain in the forecast as we head into tomorrow morning. That's 8 a.m. Another round around lunchtime. All of this could be heavy, and let's go into tomorrow afternoon. The coverage may come down, but one thing we're concerned about for Saturday afternoon and evening, that's 6:30 tomorrow evening, is the potential for thunderstorms producing damaging winds upwards of 60 miles per hour and a little bit of rotation that could produce a funnel cloud, maybe even a tornado warning. So that's tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. This time tomorrow night, finally, 10 o'clock, we start to have a sigh of relief. We start to get all this moisture out of here. All right, the heat's back on Sunday. 90 degrees, a weather alert in place for the threat of dangerous heat with heat indices as high as 105. Erica, I got to show you this. This is the new data just coming in as of 10 o'clock. Projections on heat indices for your Monday afternoon. This is Monday at 5 o'clock. This is concerning. This is now showing the potential for heat indices exceeding 110 in the southwest suburbs, and it looks like we could do it all over again even on Tuesday. So here on the 7-day forecast, you're going to see a lot of weather alerts. Tomorrow, the weather alert because of the threat of flash flooding and severe weather. The weather alert for Sunday for heat indices as high as 105. The heat index could be as high now as 115 in parts of the area on Monday and maybe again on Tuesday. So dangerous heat with another heat wave early next week. We'll get some relief by Wednesday of next week.
All right, this July has been pretty brutal.
It's been a lot. Heat, and we've had smoke, and we've had storms, everything.